I'm old and I can't get it up anymore. The male sex problems after the age of 40 and 50. Today I'm going to break down 11 sexual changes that happen in a man's body after the age of 40 and 50 and what repercussions it actually has on his sex life and whether you need to be concerned about it as a sex problem or it's just a part of your overactive imagination. Hey, it's Vikram, your sex guru. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're looking to learn about all things sex, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so that you don't miss anything. First things first, if you're 40 years old or you're about to turn 40 and you are pretty physically fit and healthy, then you shouldn't have too many problems in the bedroom because most of the changes that I'm talking about here in this video happen after the age of 50. And if you maintain a good state of physical health and you're sexually active, you should not really have any problems with regard to what I'm about to share. However, if you're close to 50 or you're above 50, listen in. Number 1. All changes that happen in the male body and his sex life happen a lot slower when compared to women. So you can thank your stars for being a man. Number 2, erections take a lot longer to achieve after the age of 50. Number 3, it may take many minutes of direct stimulation of the penis either with your hand or your partner's in order to achieve that erection. So make sure you use it wisely. Number 4, reduced testosterone may decrease the firmness of your erection. So don't be too surprised if you aren't as hard as you once used to be. Number 5, because of the same reduced testosterone, it's going to take you a lot longer to achieve that orgasm. Number 6, why does your testosterone reduce with age? Well, you can blame the shrinkage of your testes, aka your balls. Why does this happen though? Well, it's really all a part of growing old. Your testosterone levels decrease from the age of 40 up until the age of 60 and then tend to level off, and it's closely related to how you maintain your general health. Number 7, I know you're not going to like this one. Decreased sperm production. You can blame that low sperm count on your seminiferous tubules degenerating. The seminiferous tubules are the point of production of where each sperm comes from. But don't worry too much. Even though the quality and the amount of sperm that is reduces significantly, you can still father kids. It may just take a longer time and a lot more attempts in order to conceive a child. Number 8. Nocturnal erections, aka morning erections, tend to reduce in intensity, duration, and frequency as you continue to age. However, if you maintain a healthy lifestyle, they will not disappear. Number 9. Your refractory period, or what we call your ability to experience another orgasm after having just experienced one after an ejaculation, will take a lot longer. And I mean several hours after the age of 50. Number 10. The amount of ejaculatory fluid that you produce is going to reduce. Picture it to be just dripping or sleep every time you come. And here's the good news. It does not reduce the intensity and subjective pleasure of your orgasm. Number 11. Detumescence, or what we call the shrinking of the penis after ejaculation, happens a lot faster after you grow older. You see, as men, even though we go through all of these changes on an ongoing basis as we continue to grow older, it does not have to put a block on your sex life. In fact, if you're maintaining a healthy lifestyle, you're exercising regularly and you're eating healthy, you will experience all of these changes a lot slower, and at the same time, the intensity of them, you will experience them a lot less significantly. The key here is to keep a healthy mindset about all of these changes. See, if you view all of these changes as problems, then they are going to continue to be problems moving ahead. However, if you have the right mindset and you see all of these things as changes that are bound to happen, but you are going to keep your health in check, then you can continue having an awesome sex life. an amazing sex life that where you are going to please your partner and you are going to stay sexually happy moving ahead. If you're looking for a training system that will keep the spark alive in your bedroom and at the same time teach you how to create that awesome sex life and loving relationship for many years to come, make sure you check out the Verbal Love Quotient training system. It's down in the description box below, or you can log on to the website right here. And for more free sex tips, hit the I button and check out the best sex playlist. In the meantime, if you found this video useful, make sure you hit the thumbs up button, comment down below and ask me any questions that you have regarding sex or what else you'd like me to cover here on this channel. If this is your first time here and you're looking to learn about all things sex, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on bell notifications so that you don't miss anything. This is Vikram signing off, and I'll see you in the next session.